In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card with Debit Card. Whether you're shopping in a store or on a trusted gift card website, the process is simple once you know what to expect, and I'll walk you through it step by step with helpful tips along the way. First, head to a store or open a reputable gift card website. If you're shopping online, stick to well-known retailers or the official site of the brand you want. This helps you avoid scams and ensures the code will activate properly. In a physical store, look for the gift card rack near the checkout area. Next, choose the gift card you want. Think about where the recipient likes to shop or dine, or consider a general purpose option if you're unsure. Take a moment to check any terms on the back or in the product description. Some cards have regional restrictions or usage rules. Select the amount that fits your budget. Many cards offer preset amounts, while some let you enter a custom value. Be aware that certain general-purpose cards can include an activation fee, while most store-specific cards do not. Make sure the amount is correct before you continue. Add the gift card to your cart. Online, that means clicking Add to Cart and reviewing your selection. In a store, simply bring the card to the register. It will be activated when you pay. Go to checkout. On a website, open your cart and proceed. In person, let the cashier know you're ready. When asked for payment, choose Debit Card. If you're online, you may see multiple options. Select the debit option explicitly. If you're in a store and the terminal asks, choose debit instead of credit. Enter your debit card details carefully, the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back. Type your billing address exactly as it appears on your bank statement, including zip or postal code. On a website, make sure the page is secure. Look for a locked padlock icon in your browser address bar before entering any information. Confirm payment by reviewing everything on the screen or with the cashier. Double-check the brand, the amount, and the delivery method if it's a digital card. Many gift card sales are final, so a quick review can prevent headaches. Finally, complete the purchase. You'll receive a printed receipt in store or an on-screen and email confirmation online. For digital cards, the code may arrive instantly or within a short time. For physical cards, keep the activation receipt until the recipient confirms it works. And that's it. You've successfully bought a gift card with your debit card.